Hi everyone, it's Anne, Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to come on and share some happy mail that I received. This is from my friend Teresa, who's Mommylovesgigi here on YouTube and Instagram, and I'll leave her information down below. I am so excited, and I came to 2 boxes, not one. So I was really surprised, and I cannot wait to show you what I got. So, oh, this one is really pretty. She gave me this really fun holographic tissue paper. Oh wow, that's fun. I'm totally saving that. And I can already see some fun things. So here we got this little gingerbread. Adorable. How cute. We have this really fun red and white pick. Oh, she gave me two. These are so cute. And then like the whole box. I wish I could show you the box. It's just lined with a whole bunch of fun things. I'm just going to take everything out. Here is my card, and I will read this off camera. She decorated the inside with all of these yumminess. So cute. And I'm going to save all of this beautiful goodness. We got some little candies wrapped with pom-poms, and she threw some fun pom-pom inside. Oh my god, this box is humongous and super heavy. We have this in here. I'm just going to take out all the packages. Oh my goodness. Teresa, this is so cute. Little snowman hand soap and lotion. We have this really fun Prezi. Some goodies. Oh my god, no wonder this box smells so good. She included this apple spice and cinnamon like satchel, and it smells so good. As soon as I open the box, another present, and oh my god, they got this beautiful box. Okay, I'm gonna put this first box to the side, and I will open them after I take everything out. Here is box number 2. Oh my goodness. You spoiled me. Oh my goodness. There's so many pretties in here. Teresa. Okay. I think this is just tissue paper stuck in here. Oh my goodness, she spoiled me. I'm just gonna take everything out. I love swapping with Teresa, and so fun. Oh my goodness. Oh, and this is for Noah. I will have to save this for him. And oh, this is some like peppermint stick. I love that you add all these like scented items in the box. It's so fun. Okay. Whoa. So we got a lot going on over here. I'm a little overwhelmed. She added some fun jingle bells inside. No wonder it's jingle jangling. She gave me so many goodies. I'm just going to show you the unpackaged goodies. We've got this really fun, I don't have this either, sequins, paper clips, and some wood veneers. So cute. I love this. Thank you. Oh, I don't have these either. These are the Hobby Lobby ice cream stickers. Are they shakers? Oh, no. They just got little ice cream bits in it. So cute. Oh, the swans from Hobby Lobby. To die for. These are so gorgeous. I do not actually have not been to Hobby Lobby in months. Surprisingly enough, I'm really trying to be good and use more of what I have in my stash. Oh my god, I don't have these, and I've been dying to get these. Oh my god, thank you so much, Teresa. And of course, some Maggie love. I love these stickers. Thank you so much, Teresa. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, let's open this. This feels like a candle. Oh my god, how fantastic this is. I'm sorry for the crinkling. This is some peppermint. It smells so good. Thank you. I'm going to have to light this in my craft room when I'm making things. And then we have this little baggie here. Oh, this is for Noah as well. Oh, you spoiled Noah. He's going to be over the moon. Unfortunately, he's sleeping, so he'll have to open this off camera. Thank you so much, Teresa. We got a little baggie here. I love this hollow. I'm like in Valentine's mode and using all hearts, so this will be saved. Thank you so much. And we have, oh my goodness, look how cute these little these booties are. It's like it's an ornament. How cute are these? Thank you so much. I mean, they kind of give me inspiration to make something maybe for next year. Love these. Thank you. And then we have this Hershey Kisses lip balm. Super cute. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You've spoiled me. Look at this little packaging for the mints. How cute is this? This unicorn. And I love Teresa's style with how she uses her white marker. I mean, I don't do this enough, but the details that she puts into her work, next level. This packaging is so stinking cute. And we have another little unicorn packaging. Oh my goodness. How adorable is this? I'm going to open this up. You have the best bags. Another like holographic baggie that I will be saving. Oh no. There's some twine in this. Sorry, you guys. Sorry for the crinkling. But the best part of Happymail, in my opinion, is to open it and show it off. Oh my goodness, look how cute this is. Girl, you spoiled me. Oh my goodness. I did not give... Oh my gosh, look at this. So we got little nail files. We got some masks. How fantastic are these? Look at this peppermint and this hand lotion. Smell this. I can't smell it because it's closed, but oh, these are so pretty. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for my goodies. This will all be saved. Okay. And then we got this little container here. Oh, it's taped up, but let's see what's inside. Where did you get this container from? So cute. And that handy dandy scissor. Alright. Making our way. Oh, and it's like a Christmas embellishment box. Look at all these goodies in here. Oh my goodness. That is so fantastic. I love this. Ooh, this is gorgeous. And I've been really like loving charms and stuff. Actually, I'm on a charm kick currently. But look, this is a metal like ribbon. Oh my god, I love this. These deers, I have no idea where everyone's getting these deers from, but they're gorgeous. So pretty, so stunning. Oh my god, I love it. Thank you so much. I love all the little pieces in here. We got a little light bulb, some snowman, another little ribbon thing, some icicles. So cute. Thank you, Teresa. Alright, let's open this little present over here. And oh, how cute. It is a little snowman nail polish set. So we've got like the silvers. Sorry for the glare. Silvers, the pink and the white. So cute. Thank you so much. Girl, you spoiled me. Okay, we got another little baggie over here. Oh my goodness. Teresa, you gave me too much. Oh my goodness. So another store I've not been to is Michael's, but look at this snowman. How cute is he with his furry beard? Oh, it's a Target. Was gorgeous. Like, is this wood? Oh my god, how beautiful are these? Got some beautiful stickers. I don't have any of these. Oh my goodness, thank you so much. I've not actually picked up anything from the Michael's Christmas collection this year. These stickers are so fun, and look how pretty that deer is. Ooh, and there are two sheets. Two sheets. Oh, these are so pretty. And then we have this Hobby Lobby one, which I don't have as well. Look how cute this set is. Love this. Thank you so much. You've totally spoiled me with all the goodies. Let's see. And then we have this little bundle here that she wrapped up. Let's see what she put in here. Okay, that's that. Oh, it's a little teapot. How cute is this? All right, let me show you. So, she included this little pick on the side. And I love this pick. Little peppermints. But she made a loaded teapot. And I love how you stuck all the tissue paper in. Oh, it's like a teapot purse. Oh my god, I had to turn it around. Look how gorgeous this is. It's a shaker, you guys. Oh, and she put a whole bunch of tea. Because I am a tea lover. I am a tea lover. I'm a coffee lover too, but tea is definitely something I totally love. How cute is this? How cute. Is this a die? Oh my goodness. How cute is this? Look at the little poinsettia with the little berries attached and like the little gingerbread peeking out. How cute is this? I love it. I love it. And then we have, oh, look how cute. She tucked in some tea bags. Shaker tea bags. How cute are these? Oh my goodness. This die is so stinking cute. And I'm totally going to use these for Valentine's Day. Thank you so much. The shaker tea bag too. Oh. Uh-oh, there's spillage. It's okay, but nonetheless, this is such a great idea. Did you make this? Is it a die? I love this. So fun. I'm totally going to put this in my room. How cute is that? And then she included a whole bunch of teas. I love lemon. Some peppermint tea. Thank you so much, Teresa. This is so cute. All right. Let's see. And then last but not least, we have this beautiful swan box that I will cherish and keep in my room because look how beautiful it is. There's so many beautiful reasons to be happy. And especially after opening this box, I'm sure I'll be happy. So we did agree upon swapping suitcases, loaded suitcases, and I'm assuming this is her suitcase because it had to be protected. Oh, look how cute these are. Oh my goodness. Look how cute these little wreaths are. Oh, look how she put the little peppermints. I love these. They're so cute. This darling little bag topper. How adorable. Oh my goodness. We got another little goodie bag in here. Girl. Stickles. Oh my goodness. You so spoiled me. Love these. This is actually my favorite stickles that I ran out this year. So thank you so much. Let's see what's in here. We've got some raspberry candy cane scented melt wax. Thank you for these. These are fantastic. And we have some ribbon, red and white ribbon. Love this. Thank you so much. But look how cute this little baggie is. Oh my goodness. He's adorable. I love this. So cute. Got another little baggie in here. And she did line this whole bag with, I see the theme. The peppermint theme. Oh my goodness. She said there was a theme and I totally get it now. Oh, how cute is this? A little car air freshener. Oh, this is so darling. And it's a shaker ice cream. Ah, my desk is like overfilled with so many goodies. Oh, and these are the car refills. Love this. Thank you so much. And we have some antibacterial, which I can never have enough, especially in the city when I'm commuting and taking the train. And I'm just going to move some of the stuff aside because I am dying to open this suitcase, you guys. I'm dying. Look how cute this is. So she used the Mintay Sweetest Christmas collection, and I used the same. This little taggy over here, with love, handmade with love for you. How cute is this? And then we have this little closure with little candy canes over here. I love this die. She has the best collection of dies. I have die envy. Die envy. I'm not sure if this is a homemade tassel, Teresa, but this like string is fantastic. It's like iridescent. So fun. Okay, I'm just going to zoom in slightly. I'm going to open this suitcase. Let's see. So cute. And I know you didn't have a scoreboard, but you did amazing. Double strapped it so that bad boy is not going anywhere. And then we have it filled with all these goodies. Oh, more goodies. Oh, look at this coffee, this little hot cocoa mug. And it's nice and sturdy. Totally use this as a tag next year. Thank you so much. I think I flipped this upside down. But, oh, look how cute. She has this little loaded stocking. I love this stocking die. And she put my name on it. Yes. So cute. Thank you so much. And then we have this little cookie tray of gingerbread and cute embellishment. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness, look how cute this little sleigh is. Let me just take this out. I love how you decorated this. Oh. Look how pretty that is. She tucked that little cardinal. She even put a little snow on him. Oh, this is so darling. Is this a die? Oh, I love what you did with the foam dots to elevate it. This like layered poinsettia. So cute. You have to tell me what kind of snow this is. Snow is like really kind of like, it has that flurry finish to it. I love it. And then look at this sweet little gingerbread. Again, she is the die queen. She's so adorable. We have this little cookie tray of snowflake cookies. Love that. Oh, and then she made me this adorable shaker. Little mason jar shaker. Oh. And I can't open. Oh, I guess I can open it. It's stapled, but oops, sorry guys. I just want to open it to show you. Look how pretty that is. Yes. She put some like heart shaker stuff in it. So cute. And that paper. Iridescent goodness. Okay, and then we got this little cute pocket here that she used with vellum, which I think is genius. She has this little paper clip with this candy cane. So cute. We have this little snowman paper clip. Not sure if you can see that. That's adorable. And more goodies. More goodies. Girl, you spoiled me. There's so much stuff in here. We have this cute doodle pops. And I don't have this. Oh, cute. We have this gorgeous poinsettia stickers. And then we have these flower jemmies. Love these. Thank you so much. And then we have this little pocket. Oh, and she included the candy canes. I love this because I don't have this die. I totally love these. Oh, Teresa, thank you so much. I'm seriously like flabbergasted with how much stuff you gave me. And my desk is like a Christmas like snowstorm over here. Thank you so much for swapping with me. I love swapping with you, and you always go far and beyond, and I love everything. So thank you for watching, everyone. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.